Okay, so the person who you buy fruits and vegetables from, okay, what do
Yeah.
you normally call them?
I don't know in English. In Hindi, called simply sabji wala.
Hello, this is Bikash. You are watching English conversation video. If you are English learner, then you can learn many things from here. So please subscribe my channel and keep learning.
Okay, let's start. Okay.
Okay.
Um,
Yes.
so would you like to talk about shopping today?
Yeah, I have just checked our session notes. This is the topic
Mhm.
covered, but I don't like shopping because I don't
Okay.
know what is the reason.
Okay, you don't like shopping? Okay. Um, you don't like shopping, I understand. I don't like it
Yeah.
either. It's a lot of work. But you do shopping, right? You have to buy things on a regular basis. So you do some
Yes,
shopping, right?
I do shopping.
Okay. Okay. So can I ask you a little bit about your shopping practices? Is that okay?
Yes, yeah.
Okay. So when you shop, like for example, for vegetables and fruits, do you haggle?
What is I didn't understand.
Okay. When you shop, okay, when you buy things like fruits
Yeah.
and vegetables or other things on the side of the street, maybe, do you bargain? As in, do you bargain means when you
Yes,
talk
yes.
to the seller
I,
and you tell them to reduce the price. Okay, you know. Okay.
I don't bargaining because I don't like bargaining. Yeah, and I think that is the main reason. That's why I don't like shopping and to buy anything. Yeah, it's
Okay.
not happening.
Okay. So in a way, you can say you don't like to confront,
Yeah,
correct?
yeah,
Okay. What I mean is when to confront means to go up to a person and just be very honest with them about something. Just tell them the truth. Like,
yeah,
for example, with the seller, they are obviously selling their things at a high price, way
yeah,
off the charts. So if you confront them, you are honestly telling them that, hey, I know you're stealing from me. Please reduce the price. That's an example of confrontation.
yeah.
So one
Okay.
small thing, you said I don't bargaining. It will
Yeah,
be I don't bargain.
yes. Okay, I don't bargain. Okay.
Okay, okay. Do you buy a lot of second-hand things?
No, I never buy second-hand things because I know in I think uh, second-hand things there might be uh, wrong about it. That's why I don't buy.
Right. Okay. So, okay, what about discounts? How much do you care about discounts?
Yeah, discount is good.
All right, I think this topic is not interesting you very much. So let's talk about something else, okay? Okay, so what do you do?
Yeah, I am working under state government.
Okay. What's your role? Like, what do you do at your job?
Actually, I am working as a constable in Jharkhand police. I am from Jharkhand.
Oh, wow. Okay. So tell me, what is that like? Describe it to me.
Actually, constable job is field bound to job in field like road and any other crowded area. But nowadays, I am working in a office. Yeah.
Okay. Mm-hmm.
Yes.
Okay. So this is a promotion, you would say?
No, I am not promoted, but like some constable, they are still bound to do in office because in office also they have work, some work. That's why. Yeah.
Okay. Understood. Okay. So two things. Okay. One
Yeah.
is you said if you buy this is about the second hand things, okay? You said if you buy something second hand, there might something wrong with it.
Yeah.
It will be, oh sorry, you said there might wrong about it. Okay. So it will be there might be something wrong about it.
Okay.
Okay, there might be something wrong about it. And also you said you work in office or something like that. It is work in an office.
Okay.
An
Work
office.
in an office.
Okay.
Okay.
An office. Yeah. Okay. So what do you do for fun?
My free time, like in Sunday, I have no work in Sunday because I am working in office. That's why. And not nowadays because it's pandemic going on, it's lockdown going on. But when before lockdown, uh, we are always go to visit any natural or historical place in Sunday in nearby our
Oh,
district.
wow.
Yeah.
Oh, nice. Okay, with whom? Your friends, family?
No, with my friends. Yeah.
Okay, nice. That's very nice. Okay, so what are some places you have visited?
We are not to visit. We are not travel long distance. We only visit near our district.
Okay, so tell me about some of the places.
Yeah, like there are many waterfall and many wildlife sanctuary and lake and park also. These are.
Okay, okay,
And
nice, nice. Okay.
where are you from?
Oh, me. I'm from Bangalore.
Okay.
Okay. So you said there are many waterfall. Correct me
Yeah.
if I'm wrong. That's what I heard. So many means many. There's more than one. So it will be
Okay.
waterfalls with an S at the end.
Okay. For,
Many waterfalls. So for example, I have one pen, one.
yeah.
So pen. But if I have two, for example, then it'll be I have two pens with an S. Okay. And then you said in Sunday, we go outside and visit so and so. In Sunday, it will be on Sunday.
Okay.
Okay. So for days, the preposition that you use before days is always on. On Monday, I start doing work. On Tuesday, I go and eat outside. So it's always on.
Okay.
Okay. So let's do a little bit of vocabulary. Okay. Okay. Okay, so the person who you buy fruits and vegetables from, okay, what do
Yeah.
you normally call them?
Where from buy vegetable? Like,
Mhm. The person who sells you vegetables, what do you normally call them?
I don't know in English. In Hindi, we call simply sabji wala.
Okay, sabji wala, right. So in English, the word will be green grocer.
Okay. Green grocer. Yeah.
Yeah, exactly. So it comes from the word groceries. When you go and buy food, you say, I went and bought groceries, right? So from
Yeah.
groceries, it's grocer. And because vegetables are green, green grocer.
Yes. Okay. Green grocer.
Okay. Yeah. So can you make a small sentence with that word?
Yeah. We buy vegetable from green grocer.
Okay. Sure, of course. Okay.
Yeah.
And okay, it'll be from the green grocer.
Okay.
Okay. From the. Okay. Um, okay. The person who you buy medicines from, do you
Yeah.
know what it's called in English?
No.
It's called chemist.
Okay. Chemist. Yeah.
Chemist. Okay, so I guess it comes from the word maybe chemistry, possibly because making medicines involves chemistry. So it comes from there and it's called chemist.
Yeah.
So uh, just make a sentence with that word, just for practice.
Yeah, like some we buy medicine from chemist by the chemist.
Okay, that's a obvious sentence. While that is not incorrect, I want you to
Okay.
try something slightly creative.
Yeah, I can't.
Okay, okay, that's fine. So I can say I'll just give you an example for your knowledge. You can say
Yeah.
something like I ordered a cough syrup, but the chemist gave me a foot cream instead. The chemist mixed up my medicine. Something like
Okay.
that. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. One more. Okay, one more. So remember when I asked you whether you like discounts or not, and you said no, it's not a big deal. So a person like that who is not so concerned about spending and who does not mind spending is called spendthrift.
What is
Spendthrift.
spendthrift?
Yeah, exactly. So I will say Bikash does not care about discounts, so he is
Okay.
spendthrift.
Okay. Yeah, I got
Yeah.
it.
Whereas, yeah, okay. Whereas me, on the other hand, I will make a big deal even out of 1 rupees. Sorry, even out of 1 rupee, I will make a big deal. So I am stingy.
Okay, stingy. Yeah, I know. I have seen in our notes. Stingy.
Yeah, yeah, okay. So can you make a short sentence out of stingy? Don't say Arushi is stingy. Something else.
I am not able to create sentence. Uh, different sentence.
Okay, it's fine. Just remember the word for your vocabulary. So before we go, one small thing. Okay. So when you said when I asked you how are you, you said
Yeah.
I good. If I'm not wrong, you said I good, right? So it
I'm
will be I am good.
okay.
Sorry.
Yes, I think I said I am good.
Okay. Then it's fine. Then I probably misheard it. Okay, that's it then.
Yeah.
Okay, that's it for today. Good session.
Okay. Thank you, man.
Okay, bye bye.